Hello guys, LifeHackster here, and today we are going to check out the Tapo C120. And this is aimed directly to compete with Wyze Cam's lineup. And in the end, I'll show you some comparison footage from the Wyze Cam V3 PRO, which is the closest to the specs of this Tapo C120, and see which one is better. And I'll also share my thoughts if this is a good replacement for your Wyze Cams, especially if you're not happy with Wyze. Also, thank you Tapo for sending me this camera to be reviewed. This plug-in camera records in 2K quality, 2560 by 1440 pixel resolution at 20 frames per second in daytime and 15 FPS at night, and also has a 120-degree diagonal field of view. It has spotlights for color night vision, and it does have a starlight sensor. It has local storage using a microSD card inserted on the camera itself, up to 512GB card, and can record 24/7. It has an optional cloud recording with subscription. It has AI detection, person, pet, vehicles, and you don't need a subscription to have this feature, unlike Wyze. This is also IP66 weatherproof, so can be used indoors or outdoors, and compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Inside the box, you will get a mounting template and power adapter, 5 volts 1 amp, 3 meters or almost 10 feet of USB Type-C cable, mounting screws and plastic anchors, and we have a reset pin and a couple of wire clips. We have a metal plate and a double-sided mounting tape if you don't want a screw-in install. And we have the camera itself. Nice that it collapses like this, the round version of a Wyze Cam. We have the camera lens, 2 spotlights, mic and status light, and it has an integrated arm and base, and it is pretty much adjustable to any angle. On the back, we have the speaker and the USB Type-C port for power. On the side is a rubber flap that covers the microSD card slot and the reset hole. Its base is magnetic, just like the Wyze Cam V3, and lastly, in the box, a quick start guide. To set this up, first let's insert a microSD card and plug in for power. Open up your Tapo app, click the plus sign, add device, outdoor cameras, Tapo C120. Connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. Type in your Wi-Fi's credentials and wait until it is connected. Name your camera and setup is complete. Now you can use this as an indoor cam and place it in a table or shelf. Or because of its magnetic base, you can also stick it to any metal surface. But I'll be testing this outside. If you don't want to screw it in, you can use the double-sided mounting tape to stick to the metal plate. Or you can screw it in using the 2 holes on the plate. Then you can stick the base of the camera because it is magnetic. If you want a more secure mounting, you can use the hole in the base and screw it in like so. And I'll also show you that you can install this under the eaves or ceiling and just flip the image in the settings. Let's check these settings in the app. When you open up the app, it will show your Tapo and TP-Link devices. Click on the camera you want to view and it will open up the live view, which loads up pretty quick. And with Tapo, if you have other cams, you can open up the multi-window and it will stream up to 4 of your Tapo cameras. In here, you can take a snapshot, record the live view, listen in, and start two-way talk. And this one is full duplex voice call. And there is also the mic icon, and this one is half duplex, hold to talk. You have 2 options. We have the alarm on or off, but this is just arming the alarm. It will not go off until something has been detected. We have privacy mode, which turns off the camera. We have the light. Turning it on will turn the camera to color mode. Motion tagging, on or off. Tapo Care is the optional subscription, which I'm not signing up. Now in playback and download, and you will see the detected events and also the timeline. You can expand the timeline if you want, but I'll show you here because I scheduled the 24/7 recordings, and this light blue area are the continuous recordings. And also in here, you can download the footage to your phone. Click the gear icon for the camera settings. We have detection zones. You can set for all AI or each, and you can set a lot of motion zones. We have detection type, which I turned off any motion detection, and just turned on person and pets, and each have separate sensitivities that you can set. This camera also has sound detection, and you don't need a subscription to get all these AI features. With Wyze, you need to subscribe for that. And I'll just show you the storage, microSD card info, and we have recording schedule. So you can set time frames if you want that will record continuously, and others motion recording only. Video and display, night mode settings, Night boost is actually turning on infrared night vision. And you have two choices like the Wyze Cam V3. You can have the invisible infrared for indoor use and regular IR for farther distances outdoors. And this is also where you can set the spotlights off or only when motion is detected or always on at night. Video quality, just to show you that it records in 2K. Invert image if you set it up in a ceiling like mine. Privacy zones, you can set up to 4 zones. Spotlight settings, you can adjust the brightness and how long it will be on if turned on manually in live view. And lastly, in notifications, so I'll just show you one feature that you will not have if you don't have cloud subscription. No rich notifications. So you will just get a text and no snapshots. Now time to do some testing.
So this is the video and audio quality of the Tapo C120 video clarity test at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Running that test. So this is the video quality of the Tapo C120, and this will be night boost on, so that infrared night vision first, then when it detects motion, spotlight turns on. And this one looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is the video quality of the Tapo C120 at night, and this with the night boost on, and we got two infrared LEDs, the spotlight is off. And this one looks like at 10 feet, 15, 20, 25, 30.
We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Tapo C120, and I'm not subscribing to their cloud recording, so there's no rich notification. And it is 11:37, and I have a 5G, which is barely a signal there, 5G cellular connection. Let's check it out. Excuse the Wyze Cam V3 PRO there, it's off. And that's how quick the notification is. So this will not have a rich notification, but when you click on it, it should open up the live view, which loads up decently quick. Well, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty responsive. All right, 11:37. All right, so it just turned 11:38. Let's see what the notification cool off is of the Tapo C120. Let's see, no rich notification. I'll get a notification again when I click on it. It should open the live view, and that's pretty quick now. All right, cool. Okay, so we are going to test the maximum detection distance of the Tapo C120. I've set the sensitivity to the highest, human detection only. I turned off the regular motion detection, so human detection only. Let's check it out at 40 feet. Oh crap, I got detected when I just got out. That was pretty quick. And I got out of the shed there. Cool.
This is the audio quality of the Tapo C120. This is the audio quality of the Tapo C120.
Now you can turn on the alarm on the Tapo app, but it's not gonna go off until the camera detects motion, just like this. So what do you think? I compared the video quality side by side with the more expensive Wyze Cam V3 PRO, and there's not a lot of difference, except that the V3 PRO has a narrower field of view. In color night vision, about the same. Just the C120 is a bit on the yellow side. Even on just their starlight sensors, not a lot of difference. The bigger difference though is that with Wyze, you will not get the AI detection. There is a 5-minute cool off in the notifications, which will be all motion if you don't subscribe to their cloud recordings. So the features are limited. With the Tapo, all features are working except for the rich notifications. So if you plan not to have cloud recordings or subscription, then this Tapo C120 is the better choice than any of the Wyze Cams. And its price point is also pretty good for a 2K outdoor rated security camera. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.